I quit my job to work on this campaign. I've put a lot of time and effort into it, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. This campaign is for a carabiner that I'm calling the Not For Climbing Carabiner. It's a ultra lightweight titanium flexure-based carabiner. As the name implies, it is for your keychain and not for mountaineering. Instead of using a traditional arm and spring, this carabiner uses a mechanism that's called a flexure. Flexures don't have any parts that slide against each other, so as long as they are properly designed, they basically never wear out. And while I will never claim to be an expert, I have hundreds of hours of design into this carabiner, dozens of simulations, and I built a robot to verify my data. With normal daily usage, this flexure will last at least 20 years. Weighing in at under 5 grams, the Not For Climbing Carabiner is so light that it can be carried away by a single helium balloon. The large radius rounded ends means it's less likely to get snagged and will always hang correctly on your belt loop. The opening mechanism is smooth and satisfying. And since there's no moving parts, it'll never get gritty or squeaky. And it's actually a pretty good fidget toy too. The whole carabiner is made from a single piece of grade 5 titanium, which is both stronger and more corrosion resistant than either aluminum or stainless steel. All of my products are made right here in Muncie, Indiana, and carry a lifetime repair or replacement guarantee. If at any point you manage to damage one of our products, we'll get you taken care of. If you think that the Not For Climbing Carabiner can take even just a little bit of frustration out of your day, I would really appreciate it if you were to back this campaign. It would mean so much to me. I have a lot invested in this Kickstarter, including my hopes for the future of my business. At this early stage, even just a small difference in the number of backers that I get is huge and will really change my life going forwards. So again, please consider buying a carabiner if you could see it being useful. Thanks everyone, I appreciate you, and I'll see you later.